All right, so we are in a wood shop right now. These are essential tools to use at the project, especially if you're gonna do drywall. If you ever put some putty or any kind of drywall setup, you're gonna require some of these tools in here. These are all different for different angles and different areas, right? Including your mixture, where you actually put your mixture in here. We're actually in a wood shop, and they utilize this constantly every day when they're working on panels or any kind of walls, especially kitchens and buildings that have drywall. So these are all essential tools. They're all different sizes, different measurements, different areas to cut, and mixtures. Like this one has a can opener too, and people use this actually to remove a lot of the old stuff too. Now, different sizes, from smallest to largest, and of course, every single one is utilized differently. I'm not a professional on using these tools, but I'm here with some people that are. And of course, they utilize this a lot for larger areas. And if you guys can see, this is where you put your mud in here, large surface area, enough for this to cover it completely. So we are in the need of using this today on our personal drywall here in our bathroom that we're putting up an actual mirror. We're gonna set it up and see how easy it is to use.
And today we're gonna use this knives for drywall. So we're just gonna do a small patch. So we're gonna use 20 minutes, which is quick right now because we don't got a lot of time to do something that takes longer. And it's really easy. You just take your knife, start pouring a little bit into the tray. And you don't need a lot for the patch that we're doing. It's just a little bit. Pour 2 trays, that's it. Then you get a little bit of water, start mixing it. See that? Mix it around. So after you got your mixture ready, you need some of this drywall tape that is mesh, because if you don't put any of this, eventually when you put the compound, it will crack on you if you don't do it the right way. So you put it on the wall, cut it, easy as that. You will apply your plaster first, put the tape, there's our patch in there. Very simple to use for you homeowners. There you go, and then you let it dry for a bit.